Welcome to Legit Tech, where we take your aerial adventures to new heights. In this video, we're soaring through the top 5 best drones of 2025, cutting-edge flyers that redefine what's possible in the sky. Whether you're a professional filmmaker chasing Hollywood-quality shots, an adventurer capturing epic landscapes, or a tech enthusiast pushing the limits of autonomy, these drones deliver insane 8K resolution, AI-powered obstacle avoidance, and flight times that just won't quit. From foldable portability to industrial-grade power, we've tested the best to help you dominate the skies. Ready for liftoff? Let's fly. For more information and update pricing, check the links in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Let's get started. Presented by the Legit Tech. Number 5, Autel Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Evo Lite Plus stands out in the crowded drone market by offering flagship-level camera performance at a more accessible price point. What makes it a true competitor to DJI's offerings is its 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 6K video at 30 frames per second and 20MP stills. The camera features an adjustable aperture, f/2.8 to f/11, allowing creators to adapt to different lighting conditions and shoot with more control. In both daylight and low-light situations, the footage looks sharp, well-balanced, and cinematic. Paired with Autel's intelligent flight modes, like Dynamic Track 2.1, Sky Portrait, and Hyperlapse, you get a smart drone that's not just powerful, but also creative and easy to use. In the air, the Evo Lite Plus performs with confidence. It boasts 40 minutes of flight time, excellent wind resistance, and a reliable 3-way obstacle avoidance system. It's fast too, reaching speeds up to 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour, yet smooth and stable even in breezy conditions. The Autel Sky app is intuitive and offers a solid FPV experience, while the remote controller has a premium feel with excellent range and low latency. While Autel's ecosystem isn't as mature as DJI's, they've been making big strides with firmware updates and customer support. For prosumers, content creators, or even drone enthusiasts who want top-tier imaging and long battery life without DJI's lock-in, the Autel Evo Lite Plus is a smart, capable, and stylish alternative that holds its own in the sky. Number 4, DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is an exceptional blend of performance, portability, and camera versatility, sitting sweetly between DJI's Mini and Mavic lines. What makes it a standout is its dual camera system, a wide-angle 1/1.3 CMOS sensor paired with a 3x medium telephoto lens, both capable of shooting 4K at 60 frames per second and HDR video. This setup gives creators the ability to switch perspectives on the fly without compromising on quality. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or zooming in on distant subjects, the Air 3S delivers detailed, cinematic footage. DJI also brings over advanced features like focus track, master shots, and waypoints, giving users professional-grade tools in a compact drone. Flight performance is rock solid. The Air 3S boasts up to 46 minutes of flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and a top speed of 46.9 miles per hour, 75.6 kilometers per hour, in sport mode. DJI's O4 video transmission system ensures a strong and responsive connection, even in complex environments. It's remarkably quiet and stable in flight, making it discreet for both urban shoots and nature filming. The redesigned DJI RC2 controller with its built-in screen is a nice upgrade, cutting setup time and improving visibility in bright conditions. Overall, the DJI Air 3S offers a professional-grade experience in a travel-friendly package, making it a top pick for serious hobbyists, travel vloggers, and even freelance filmmakers who want versatility without stepping up to the Mavic 3 tier. Number 3, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro represents the pinnacle of consumer drone technology, bringing unprecedented versatility with its triple camera system, a world first for drones in its class. It features a Hasselblad 4 of 3 CMOS wide-angle camera, a 70mm medium telephoto, and a 166mm telephoto lens, allowing creators to capture everything from sweeping landscapes to tight, cinematic close-ups, all in up to 5.1K resolution. The flagship Hasselblad sensor delivers stunning color accuracy and dynamic range, ideal for professional-grade filmmaking. DJI's 10-bit D-Log-M profile and support for Apple ProRes on the Cine version make this drone a serious tool for post-production workflows. Flight performance is just as elite. The Mavic 3 Pro boasts 43 minutes of flight time, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and rock-solid stability, even in challenging conditions. DJI's O3 Plus transmission ensures ultra-clear live feeds with up to 15 km range, while intelligent features like Active Track 5.0, Master Shots, and Waypoint Flight elevate your shooting capabilities. Despite its power, the Mavic 3 Pro folds down to a compact, travel-friendly form, making it an ideal companion for filmmakers on the go. While its premium price reflects its high-end hardware, the value for serious content creators is unmatched. For your channel's audience looking to take aerial videography to the next level, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the ultimate creative companion, professional, precise, and powerful. Number 2, DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K is one of the most accessible ways to step into aerial photography without sacrificing essential features. Weighing under 249 g, it avoids registration in many regions and is incredibly portable, perfect for travel, hiking, or spontaneous shoots. Despite its compact size, the Mini 4K lives up to its name by offering 4K video at 30 frames per second and 12MP still images, giving beginners and casual users a solid introduction to high-resolution drone footage. The 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth, stable shots, and DJI's simplified Fly app makes controlling the drone intuitive, even for first-timers. While it lacks some of the advanced tracking modes seen on more expensive DJI models, it still includes quick shots like Drone and Helix, allowing for creative shots with a single tap. In terms of flight performance, the DJI Mini 4K punches above its weight. It offers up to 31 minutes of flight time, decent wind resistance for its class, and GPS-based return-to-home functionality for peace of mind. The updated OcuSync 2.0 transmission system delivers a reliable live feed at up to 10 km range, ensuring strong connectivity during flights. For creators or hobbyists on a budget, the Mini 4K is a major win. It delivers most of what you need to start capturing cinematic aerial content without breaking the bank. For your channel's viewers looking for a budget-friendly entry into drones that doesn't feel cheap, the DJI Mini 4K is the new go-to option. Number 1, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro sets a new standard for ultra-lightweight drones, packing serious power into a frame that weighs under 249 grams. This means no FAA registration is required in many regions, yet it delivers 4K/100 FPS video, HDR, and 48MP still photos using a powerful 1/1.3 CMOS sensor with dual native ISO. What sets it apart is its true vertical shooting for effortless social content, along with advanced features like 10-bit D-Log-M, making it a dream for color grading in post. It even supports Active Track 360, allowing for full circular tracking shots, something rare in a sub-250G drone. You also get Master Shots, Hyperlapse, and full manual control for both newbies and pros to craft cinematic aerial footage with ease. On the performance side, the Mini 4 Pro flies like a dream. You get up to 34 minutes of flight time, or 45 minutes with the Plus battery, and it's equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, a first for DJI's Mini series, making it incredibly safe to fly, even in tight spaces or for beginners. The OcuSync 4.0 transmission system delivers an ultra-stable live feed up to 20 kilometers, and pairing it with the DJI RC2 remote gives a polished, pro-level flying experience right out of the box. For your YouTube audience looking for a compact, legal-to-fly-anywhere drone that doesn't skimp on professional features, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is simply unmatched in its class. The most recent and biggest tech. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and advice. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for products you'd like us to review, please leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to remain updated and see you in the next video. Foreign.